Friends, imagine you are a chef in an Indian restaurant and you get an order to make kadhai paneer. You start preparing your dish by putting different ingredients in a pan like oil, salt, water, vegetables, some masala, onion, and of course paneer. Friends, making a valid contract is like making kadhai paneer. Just like you put different ingredients while making a dish, the same way we need to put some essential ingredients given under section 10, 29 and 56 of the Indian Contract Act to make a valid contract. Let's discuss the recipe of making a valid contract. So to make a valid contract, you need to take valid offer and acceptance and put it in a pan. Then add some valid consideration, free consent, competence of parties, certainty and some possibility. After putting all the ingredients in an agreement, cook it well and a valid contract is ready. But friends, what if you miss to put an essential element in your paneer dish? What will happen? It will all depend upon how much essential that ingredient actually was. Like if you forget to put paneer in your kadhai paneer, can you even call your dish as kadhai paneer? No, right? So paneer is an essential ingredient for making kadhai paneer. But if you forget to put an ingredient such as onion or capsicum, or you forget to put in some masala, then it may still be called kadhai paneer. However, now it's up to your customer. If he does not like your dish because it is missing some ingredients, he may return the dish, right? The same happens with a contract. If a contract misses a very essential ingredient such as consideration, competence of parties or possibility, then the contract will be void ab initio. But if a contract misses not so important ingredient such as free consent, then it is the option of the other party whether to accept that contract or reject it. Such contracts are called voidable agreements. So friends, in this course we'll be discussing about all the essential elements of a valid contract in detail along with some special types of contracts. This course covers complete Indian Contract Act 1872. We'll be covering the following topics in this course. Before taking this course, please do take part 1 of this course, Basics of Law of Contract in India on Udemy. It is a free course and covers only the basics of the contract law such as offer and acceptance, types of contracts and other basic but important information on contract law. Friends, my course is aimed towards the law students and I'm sure they will immensely benefit from this course. I hope you will like this course and I look forward for your feedback. Thank you.